Welcome to Phoenix Study. So here we are again seeing the Nifty outlook. Uh, Sorry for the last week because I haven't updated anything on the last week due to Diwali. But market is already a sideways and playing in a range. Like market has created this box now and playing in this range. So nothing is happening much in the market. But the broader thing, as we expected last few weeks, that 16,900 and 16,300 will be the buying zone, as I said last time, and Nifty exactly took a middle of it, that is a 16,765. That was a low, correct? And it is an excellent buying opportunity, and we did a really good swing trades between that, and now Nifty is approaching its bigger trend line. So we might face again some profit booking or some volatility around this zone. But apart from this, ये जो levels है, I can see these levels are really good for a swing trades. So let's check out how it went. So this week, like October 3rd week, and after that, this is a 10th October week. This is the inside candle of a week. So I have one strategy of how to trade these inside candles of swing trade, and those who subscribe for that, it's a paid strategy. So I will give you everything: how to create scans, how to take profit, how to take stop loss. Everything is mentioned in there, correct? So those who have done that strategy right now, they are enjoying this, and it's a very simple strategy. Here also we can see that Nifty was a inside candle, and after that you can see a major rally. Here also we can see an inside candle. So in uptrend you can see a really good setups for the inside candles. So those who wanted to apply for that, it's not a expensive strategy. Around 500 you will get it. I will provide you that video. So you can do your swing trades on your own, correct? So this trend line is now nearing around 18,000 resistance. I am seeing that. So we might face few days of swing lows and swing highs formation around here, this zone. But once 8,000 is regained, Nifty will definitely go towards the 21,000. Why? Because this range, as per technical charts, when this range get removed from for the upside, then we might see the targets of 20,967, right? So technically 21,000 Nifty is right now I can see, because there are not any negative movements. India is doing good despite of the US market. Funds are coming, FI is interested in buying. So everything is going well for now, right? So whatever dip you are getting, you should use it for a like investment, whether it will be a swing trades, whether it will be an investment, whether it will be a very long-term investment. You should pick a really good stocks and you should do investment in those stocks. So these are the resistance points Nifty is getting, right? So for me, Nifty is gained 21-day moving average and taking support again, and now it is trying to like bounce up from this zone. It has a really good support zone. So anything towards now 17,500, 17,400 will be a very good buying opportunity. So focus on those levels, right? We'll go to Bank Nifty now. We will see one by one all sectors. Bank Nifty has broke its major resistance on a weekly basis, and it is now taking. I am waiting for the retesting of this zone. It will be 4350, right? And PSU banks also we will check later. PSU banks also approaching its major resistance, so we will check that. So now here, Bank Nifty has created a really good pattern. It's a rounding pattern bottom, and it's a now handle also. So it's a cup and handle pattern Bank Nifty is now making. So like good banking stock like SDFC and Kotak are really good for investment right now. You will get a really good swings on those banks. So if I calculated the returns from here, around 18 to 20% return in index I'm expecting in for the Bank Nifty. So just wait for a dip. Any dip towards the 40,000, we will be really good opportunity to add the banking stock, right? So keep watch on Bank Nifty this week. I am bullish on Bank Nifty. Metal is playing as I draw this range. Metal is playing in those range and it is forming now a handle. As I told you, right? Few weeks back, I clearly told that metal is forming some kind of creating some kind of handle here, right? This is a curve and this kind of handle it is getting created. So those who are risk takers can enter here and those who want confirmation can enter here after a good breakout, right? So currently, metal stocks also it is holding its 21-day moving average, right? So your risk is very low. Even if it will get break down from here, your risk will be very low, right? So those who want to play metal sector also, it's a good opportunity right now. Pharma after a breakout, after a weak breakout, I can say it is consolidating, but it is consolidating above its trend line. So it's a really good indication that it is not going down again after breaking out, right? So it is still holding for like this is now fourth week. It is holding its trend line. So it is good for pharma sectors also. So see, we have got the Bank Nifty, we have got the metal, we have got the pharma also. So you can play on this sector. These are the good sector right now. IT is a little bit weak comparing to this sector. IT, I'm not that much kind of hopes on IT right now. It is still in the negative impact, but somehow it is holding this support, right? So, but there are multiple resistance as I told many times. Nifty IT has many resistance now. So stock specific run we can see around 10%, 20%. But for a trending sector, I won't recommend you to enter into IT. The next sector is FMCG. Now I feel that FMCG will break out from here, right? So it has consolidated enough, and the 21-day moving average is now around the closing price of this sector, because here the distance is like huge, right? For index, this is too much distance. Now the fair price is there, like it's there now, and it's created again what inside candle, also inside weekly. Those are who are interested to know about this kind of trading, and here also we can see the inside candles. So those who can they can contact me anytime. I will explain how to trade this kind of setups. All right. So now I will feel that you can enter into FMCG, right? The stop loss is very low of this candles, like last week's low. You have the stop loss with you, so you can trade the FMCG stocks also. Then the mid cap, small cap sectors. This is a Nifty small cap 250. It's a really good setup. So now I can see the market is getting cleared little bit and going into positive way. So nothing is fearful for a while, right? Nothing is fearful, though it is again creating a cup and handle kind of pattern. So we will wait for this trend line to break. So small cap, sorry. So small cap also interesting sector right now. You can choose a good quality stock in from the small cap also. I will delete this for a while to explain you. I will delete this also. So check out the auto. Whenever auto is coming towards this 21-day moving average, it is bouncing back, right? It is gaining again this, and now again it is taken support on 21-day moving average. That's why 21-day moving weekly average is very much important. So auto sector is also good. We can see a really good, and the Diwali numbers, like Diwali sales number also will reflect like in coming 1-2 months, right? So we will see the auto sector also will be flying towards the 14,500 to the 15,000 range. So I can see auto sector here, right? So yes, auto sector is also looking good. It is around its all-time high, and after taking 21-day moving average support, it's looking quite bullish now for me. PAC sector is after taking same the 21-day moving average approaching its long-term resistance line. So we can see a good move in the PAC stocks for in the coming week. So coming week or the November week, I can see the market will be neutral to positive. I'm not expecting a big fall in the recent time now. All charts are doing good. Okay, yes, this is the PSU bank I was talking about, right? After creating a range, I was telling you, right? PSU banks keep watch on, because It is hitting the resistance for many weeks, and it gives a really good breakout in 2 weeks, right? So we might see again a retesting of its new support now, because earlier this was a support, now this thing become a support now. So we might see a, a bounce back or a pullback from here to again go for a next up move. So even anything you will get around this resistance, like it will become a support now. So anything near this support, try to make use of it for a new swing trades, like in the PSU banks. PSU banks like Maharashtra Bank is there, like Maharashtra Bank is there. I'll just quickly open Maharashtra Bank. Yes, there is a PNB also. Look at this. Maharashtra Bank is, after consolidation above its 21-day moving average, it has given a good breakout, right? So there will be sellers, but I will feel like I am feeling that there is an opportunity now. You can keep a stop loss of long-term stop loss of 16 rupees now, and the 4 rupees your stop loss, and you should aim for a 8 rupees at least target from here. That will be around here, right? So Maharashtra Bank is looking promising for me. So those who want to take trades, kindly take your advice, like your financial guy, because I am not a SEBI registered person. These all things we are discussing on a study purpose. I am not recommending you to buy anything, but I can see like this trend line, this long-term trend line has become support now for Maharashtra Bank. Check out this. This is a long-term trend line now, and every action is happening is above this trend line. It is Bank of Maharashtra is not breaking this trend line. Of course, after breaking this trend line, it will become a zero. So I'm not talking about that, but you can see that everything is happening above this trend line. So your 16 rupees to 14 rupees zone will be the final stop loss, right? So try to buy, because the upside is huge. If Bank of Maharashtra blast, then like, just remember my words now. You will get a massive returns. It can cross the 50 also in coming time. So I can see that this formation will taken place in coming years, because it is performing good. This bank is performing good quarter also. So just watch on this bank, right? So there is a PSU like PNB Bank also doing good. PNB Bank, after a major fall from the high of 280, it is consolidation. Someone is accumulating this bank continuously from the March 20, right? From the Corona level, someone is accumulating this bank. Look at the chart, look at the formation, look at the consolidation. The more the consolidation, more will be the gains, more will be the upside, right? So once this zone will get removed, then we can definitely see a target of 65 and 100 rupees in coming time. So for me, PNB Bank and Bank of Maharashtra is looking promising as per chart, and your stop loss is very fixed now here. For PNB, I will put a stop loss of 30 rupees. 30 to 28 rupees will be the weekly closing my stop loss, and the target is like 65 to 80 rupees first target. Then we will check the chart again. So this is PSU banks. See, I have given you two trades here, right? So check those trades, right? Energy, as I told again, it has regained its 21-day moving average, and it has taken support of this new trend line, just the breakout from here, and it is tested this thing. So for me, Reliance will perform, ONGC will perform, right? Many stocks, many power stocks which are coming under this energy sector will perform now. So for now, the resistance will be this trend line. This new trend line will be the resistance. Earlier, this was a resistance. Now this will become a resistance. So energy sector also looking good. So see, there are all sectors are looking promising now, right? So market is into safe mode for me for a short period of time. There is nothing to be worried about. See, midcap also looking good. It is holding these levels now. Like it's into consolidation zone, but nothing to worry about for a while. India VIX is drastically reduced. Now there is no fear in the market. It's really reduced. It may be frustrating for the option buyers, as there will be no movement, lot of premium decay will be there, and option seller also will not get that much kind of premium to write, because there is no volatility. But for the people like us, for the swing traders, for those who are only on buying side, and taking trades for this time is really good for them. The person who are willing to invest in a systematically, so the longer kind of the consolidation, the larger benefit they will get in this two phase, right? So yes, good time is there. Overall weekly structure is looking good. So market, I don't feel anything is fearful for a while. But as you know, it's a worldwide condition are not that good. Anything will happen. There is a war condition. There are many aspects there negatively happening in the world. So be careful with your positions. Try to trade at a very low side. Try to make sure you should have a cash aside, even if there is anything you will get at a downside, there should be cash in your hand to buy that low, right? So yes, just quickly we will see the, okay, I have write it down a lot. So I told you last, like this is a drawing, like market will bounce from this level, right? We have drawn so much things and it reacted after that. So for a while I will remove these drawings. Okay. So for Dow Jones gaining of 21-day moving average with a good two bullish candles, because here also it has gained but again moved down. But now this time this candles representing a really good move, right? So I think a shorter period the global market also will perform now because it is near to its old swing highs. So this week will be very good for the US market also, and it has I can say corrected a lot actually, right? Where is the Fibonacci? Okay, so if I draw a corona low, right? Okay, so market corrected exactly into Fibonacci and give a bounce back, right? So it is a healthy correction, I can say, in the US market, which is a very much required for the long-term investor to enter time to time, right? Because these are very insane high valuation and market is corrected fairly, and now it's a good time to enter in the US market also, right? So these are the target as per Fibonacci in the US market. So I can see the market is going good, US also and Indian market also for a while. So yes, okay, one more thing. There are two more trades I need to discuss. One is ICICI Security, ISEC. So see, ICICI Security after giving a good rally, given up the gain, right? It has now holding this 21-day moving average, right? So I can see at least 1:2 risk reward ratio here. So I will just zoom out this. So you have to buy above this previous week high. Okay, so I will mark those levels. Okay. So 526 will be your buying price. Or let's say 527. 527 will be your buying price. Stop loss will be 496. So after getting a stop loss and a target, I will set a target of 1:2, right? We get the buying price, we get the stop loss. Now the time of a target. So around 6% we have a stop loss, right? So I will place a target of around 12% from the buying price. So 12%, 12%, here's the 12%. Okay, 599. So around 600 rupees, and it is exactly matching with the supply zone also. Here is the supply zone because ISEC broke from here, right? So this support will become resistance now. So we will book our profit here. So around 12% swing I can see in the ISEC, right? ICICI Securities. So by giving about 6% stop loss, I will try to catch the 12% move from here. Okay. So this zone will be your profit booking zone from 586 to the 600. So this zone will be the profit booking zone for you. So this is the stock for the week, and second stock is a Kotak Bank. So Kotak Bank also looking good. Sorry. Right? So Kotak Bank is approaching its resistance now, and you need to buy uh, high of this week again, like 1920, 1913, 193, 1913 is my buying price, the study buying price, and the low will be the this week low. So stop loss is very low. On the safer side, you can take a stop loss of 1800 also, right? So again, I will calculate what 1:2 risk reward ratio. I will open a long position here. My stop loss will be the this week's low or last week's low, which are fairly around 6% like ICICI Securities. I will try to catch around 1:2. So it is exactly coming around this, right? So these two trades are fair trades for me. So I will try to enter this week into those two trades. So okay, have a nice week ahead. Anything you require, just message me. And if you need any swing strategies, those are paid with the minimum fees. You can definitely offer that. And those who want to do a technical classes like how to be a proficient swing trader, so those also you can contact me for that. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.